Good morning, students, and welcome back to online class once again. So, as we have already covered the topic, which was how to work with the header and footer, how to insert the date and time, and how to add a watermark behind the text. So, today in this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you about some methods to insert the mathematical equations, the smart art, and basically how to format the text or how to make the text look more attractive into a document. So, let us begin the today's video. So students, as in the last class we have learned that how to insert the header and footer and how to insert the watermark behind the text. So today I'll be showing you that how you can insert any kind of mathematical equation, how you are going to write it. So for that, the first step which we have to follow, that we have to go to the insert menu. So I'm going to the insert menu, and on the top right corner you can see there is a equation command given on the right side. Equation symbol is there, so you have to click on that, and the shortcut key for that is alt plus equals to. When you click on a particular command, you will be able to see the shortcut key also written over there. So you should remember all the shortcut keys while working on any kind of command. So let us click here and see how many kind of equations we can write. So clicking on that, you can see that there are different kinds of equation already available here. If you want to write area is equal to pi r square, so you can directly click and it will be inserted inside your document. If you want to write a binomial theorem, you can do that. If you want to write expansion of a sum, you can see here it is written, and if you want to write a series, this is also written. But if you want to write on your own that what the kind of equation, so you can just simply click on insert new equation. So the step for inserting the equation is that first of all you have to click on the insert tab, then you have to go to the equation or command which is present over there. The shortcut is present at the top right corner, and then from there you can click on insert new equation. So when you click on insert new equation, it will let you insert the new equation. See in the cursor here it is showing me. Let us do it into the new document so that it is more clear. So I am opening a new document here and clicking. So I am going to the insert menu and inserting. So you can see that the area of circle is inserted pi r square. Now if you want to suppose insert any other equation, you can simply go to the equation again and click on that. So that will be also inserted here. Now suppose if you want to write your own equation, press enter, come onto the blank line and click on insert equation and insert new equation. It will give you a box here to type. You can type anything and then the equation will be inserted. This is how the equation can be inserted. So suppose in equation I want to write again a square plus b square. So for writing a square plus b square, you need to write a. For a square you will give 2 and then a plus symbol and b and square. But you can see here that for writing a square plus b square, the 2 is written along with a. To put it in on a square type, you need to select this 2 and go to the home tab again. Click on the superscript and subscript option. You can see here it is given after the bold, italic and underline shortcut icons. There is an option given superscript and subscript. Now what is this? Superscript actually helps you to write the power of a particular base, and subscript help you to write any text below any particular text. Suppose you want to write any chemical equation, so you can take the help of subscript, and if you want to write any power, then you can take the help of this superscript. So I am clicking on this. Let me write it here, a square plus b square. Now suppose click to go to the home tab and click on this square. So it is done. Again click on this, go to the home tab, click on the square. It is done. So you can see that how it is written. And if you want to write suppose chemical formula, I want to write H2O, so I can simply write H2O and click on this 2 which should be below H. So I am going to home and clicking on the subscript पे click करेंगे and then it is H2O. I'll click on subscript and it will be written like this. So this is the way how you can write the formulas and insert the mathematical equations, and you can insert your own as well, and you can insert the default one also. Now let us move into the next topic, which is smart art. So before I begin, let us understand what is smart art. Smart art actually a different, you must have seen some hierarchical or flow chart must be drawn in some of the question papers or somewhere in the books. So they are basically written with the help of MS Word, or if you want to use the feature of MS Word, so it is there. You just need to go to the again insert tab. Here you will get the option of smart art. There the things are written in hierarchical form, so just click on it, smart art, and you will get different kind of, you can say, the default pictures are there in the form of list, process, cycle, hierarchy. Many layouts are there. You can select any one layout and start writing the text. Suppose I want to write this, take this one, so I will click here, it will come here. You can just simply double click, or you can click on the insert command button also. So here we can, suppose I am writing input, and then I am writing on the second one process, and on the third one I am writing output. So this is the input, process, output cycle. So I have just double click outside and it is done. Now this is the way you can insert the smart art into your Word document. And if you want that some more boxes should be added after inserting it, you want to edit it, so just simply click on, select this, go to the design tab, and after design tab you went, then go to the top left corner, you can see there is a add shape option, and in add shape option you just click and select that where you want to insert the shape. Suppose add this particular shape after this output or before. So once you click after, it will be clicked where whatever shape is selected, after that it will be inserted. Suppose I am selecting this process, and then again going to the design tab, inserting add shape before, so it will be inserted before. If you select after, so it will be selected after, inserted afterwards. So this is how you can edit the smart art also. So that's all for today. I'll show you the next mail merge topic in the next video. So do practice these two things at home, like inserting mathematical equation and inserting the smart art into your Word art document. If you have any query, then do message me or mail me. Till the time, stay safe and happy. Thank you so much.